Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Pikalabs AI generator. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, in this video, we need just to have our Discord and you go to this Pika Art website. So for the first thing, make sure you have either like the web Discord or the Discord desktop application, and then we need just to go to the pika.art. Make sure to enter this website with your web browser, and then either you sign in with Discord or just click on Discord so it can take you directly to Discord. And basically, it's just a direct invitation to the Pika server. After that, we will need just to go to the generate uh, chat or the creation channels. Go to anyone that you would like, and here you will be able to start creating your own prompts. So basically now we will need just to go to the messages here and we will start our own prompts. So basically, this is our result. Of course, it's you will need just to start like adding more details for your result. You can have like more in the more uh, details so you can have better results. So you will need just to go to the Pika community and start like seeing how like to have more results, or you can just find here and go to, for example, to the feedback or discussions. Here they discuss some like tricks or some parameters on how you can create better results or how to generate better prompts. So basically, you need just to start exploring the server and you will be able to start having better results on Pika Discord. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.